Hi everyone, this is Spring from IBM ECM Level 2 support team in Asia Pacific region. Continue to the last video. In this video, I will show you the 4-step streamline automation provision for CP4BA environment, enterprise pattern environment using Ansible. And also I will go through the details of the first step. Okay, let's start it. Okay, here is the first steps. Streamline the provision of CP4BA enterprise pattern. You can see the sequence should be the mirror image and catalog and prepare LDAP and the deploy operator, all using the Ansible playbook command, and for this to execute those 4 playbook. After you complete about 4 steps, a fully functional CP4BA enterprise pattern environment will be provisioned. Next, I will go through each step for details. This first step is the mirror image playbook. Okay. Before we go into that, the detailed task details, I will show you this standard scenario how to use Ansible to invoke a command script shell. Okay, here's an example. You can see, although the first task you can see actually is using yarn to install some tools like Postman, HTTP tools, and Scorpio, and also the Ansible. Okay, and then here is the example how to execute a command shell script. Here you can see using the shell keyword and command, and also the shell sh create registry dir.sh, and also specify the working directory as Ansible working directory, and also this in the subfolder files. Okay, and this is quite directly using the executing the command line command shell script. Here is another example, actually is quite standard. First, you need to use a template, which means you need to replace that template with Ansible variables. Okay, let's look at this, how to achieve that. Okay, first we go to that. Okay, here's the example. Here's the template. You can see the extension name is G2. Okay, here's the also you can see the Ansible variable, how to reference an Ansible variable. Okay, here the cert and score country. Okay, certificate and score country. So when using the template keyword, it will replace those Ansible variables with the value you specified in the inventory files. So you can actually, when that file copied to the destination, those values are replaced. Okay. Also, we look at the second sample. Okay, here is actually also use a search.sh.g2. Okay, let's check this one. Okay, this actually is quite generic. You can see there's no Ansible variable here, so we can just directly copy that using template. You can also do that, but actually I just want you to see quite standard like this one. Okay, we just check this one. It's the mirror registry container.sh. Okay, and this one. So you can see actually is similar like the previous template file. You can see in the command line, actually we also embedded some Ansible variable here. So you can see the Ansible variable. So when using template keyword, it will just from the source template and will replace those Ansible variable with the actual value you specify in the inventory file and to the destination path. Okay. So here's one thing. You can see the template, right? Source and destination. Okay. To a working directory. Okay. Also specify the mode 7555. Okay. And then after that, execute the shell with the shell command, and also specify the working directory. Okay, and the last step will print out the output, using the you can see in the previous one it already registered the output. Okay, this command like console output here as a variable stdout1, and then in the next Ansible task, it will print out this message. Okay. So this is a quite standard one. Okay. So actually, you can refer this link. This is also the environment setup for mirror image registry. From step A, you can see from step A, B, C, and to okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, okay, and before G step, you can see actually all reflect in this Ansible task. Okay. Okay, you can see this. We can check this one. Okay. Case save. Okay. This actually download the case archive. Okay. And then the next one, it will still entitled credential .show the template. G2 template. So we just check this one. So here actually you can look familiar with that knowledge center link, but actually you can see this is actually system variables, but now in our template, we replace them with Ansible variables reference. You can see that. And from step 3, it all reflects here. So until you will see the last one, the last task of this playbook is run mirror image command to put all the image from IBM entitled registry, Docker registry. So here is using the mirror image .shell, okay, and also redirect output into a log file. So you can also open a terminal to check this log for the progress, because normally it will take 2 or 3 hours to put all the image to your local to your best-in server, okay. But it may fail during this, the 2 or 3 hours. So that's why you can see the highlight. When it just failed in the middle, you can add this highlight tag when step status equals unprocessed. So those tasks will skip. So it will directly go to this task, mirror image, and retry. Okay. And actually, maybe after 2 retries, it will complete for the mirror image task. Okay, final complete. Okay, I think that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.